Okay, gang, it is time for another watch unboxing from Watch Gang. This is the April 2018 Black subscription, and this is my second month into Watch Gang. Last month I got the William Greger, and I really love the watch. It's so pretty. So, as I did open the box, I have not looked inside yet, so we'll see what we got. So we have our Watch Gang content, everything that's in here. It tells you about what was this month, and I love these guys. Oh, you see, I was secretly hoping I got this one. I don't know what color it's going to be, but these watches are just so cool. They're made to look very distressed. See, it says damaged in Italy. And they are, from what I've seen, dive style watches. So, as some people would say, drum roll. Good enough. And I'll see what we get. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That is just so cool. And I believe this is a quartz. It has the lume. Not sure how many clicks the bezel has. Oh, that's really nice. That is so nice. Has a cyclops, an oyster bracelet, a distressed oyster bracelet. Wow, that's just really cool. Oh, it says made in Italy. Let's see if it has a signed crown. It does. It has a signed crown. Very cool. Very cool. Boy, I just love the almost like a copper orangey sunburst. Water resistant 10 atmospheres, so you can swim with this one, you can dive with this one. I think it's a quartz. I'm fairly certain these are quartz. Oh, look at that. It says, "Please treat me bad." Yeah. So that is really cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, it even has a signed little clasp buckle here. Oh, that's neat. That is just really neat. I don't know. I don't have calipers, so I can't measure for you guys, but I'm sure you could look up. I think they might all be the same size on the 000s, the out of orders. But wow, yeah, that is so cool. I just love how they do this distressed look, and oh, look at that. That's pretty neat. Please treat me bad. Yeah. Wow. So, well, oh, I guess I should do a wristwatch check as I'm doing this. I am wearing the Messerschmitt. It is a quartz watch, and I love this watch. This very thick bracelet or a band on it. For what you get, you know, it's a pilot's watch. It's thin, you know, it feels good on the wrist. It's light. There's like nothing to it. This has a little bit of heft to it. Not a lot of heft, but a little bit. This feels a little lighter than my SKX. I have the 009, the Pepsi. But yeah, very cool. Very beautiful Cyclops. Cool beans. Well, until next month, hopefully I can continue my subscription, because next month is my last subscription, so I'll have to see if I can continue. So, see you next week, or next month, guys.